from the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for The Debate.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. There were very fast-paced developments on the farmers' laws front today. The centre categorically said it will not repeal the laws. The opposition formed a Sharad Pawar, Rahul Gandhi-led contingent and rushed to the president demanding just that. However, the most crucial development today was the fact that the union government agreed to reform the farmers' laws. So every critical issue was listed and a solution was proposed for it. Shutting down the fear-mongering on MSP, the government has proposed giving a written assurance on retaining MSP. Shutting down the Adani-Ambani farm laws diatribe of the 51-year-old adolescent Rahul Gandhi, the government has assured amendments so that no industrialist can hijack our farmers' lands. Busting the claims that farmers will not be able to take on private corporations, the dispute resolution mechanism has been eased. The government has kept the door open and said it is still willing to hold discussions with the farmers. So everything that the opposition and its B team fear-mongered about has been clarified. In fact, the results of the Zilla Parishad polls in Rajasthan, conducted in the middle of the farmers' protest, have gone the BJP's way. Now the opposition has no ground to stand on anymore and provoke. Yet some farmers' unions have said they will continue the protest. So who is causing confusion among the farmers? Who is trying to keep an attempt to block India alive? And our vested interests viciously deterring our farmers from a law that benefits them just so they can stretch this politically. Ladies and gentlemen, it's gone on too far. I personally believe that every single point that the farmers had been aggrieved about has been addressed. The question I want to ask you all tonight is whether we are willing for Shaheen Bagh Part 2. Whether we are willing to see our national capital completely blockaded. Debate number 2 tonight. On debate number 2 tonight, the biggest crackdown on Khalistani backers, the whole list of Khalistani supporters and terrorists right now. The biggest crackdown on them, that's debate number 2. Exclusive details. And here are the headlines. And ladies and gentlemen, debate number 3 tonight. The latest on Bengal, where as Nadda touches down, the battle gets more and more violent in Bengal on the ground. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the debate tonight. Farmers reject centre's 10-point proposal aimed to end the 2-week standoff. Ready to amend but won't scrap, government makes its stand on agricultural reforms clear. Ahead in the Rajasthan local elections, the BJP calls it a referendum on the centre's farm laws. Message to those backing terror, NIA files charge sheet against 16 Khalistani extremists. Bengal battle gets more violent. Another BJP worker killed as Nadda begins 21 campaign. Anil Kapoor apologizes after the Indian Air Force objects strongly to inappropriate donning of a uniform in an upcoming web film. Gentlemen, 14 days and 6 rounds of talks later, there is no softening of a stand on the Farm Acts. The 10-point proposal sent by the centre has been turned down by the farmers. The opposition is capitalizing every minute on the deadlock. What is causing the deadlock? Here is what has happened today, and then we debate.
For the last 14 days, these borders to the national capital have worn the same look. Farmers camping on the streets with only one demand: scrap the 3 farm laws. After an emergency late-night meeting with farmers helmed by Home Minister Amit Shah, the central government sent a detailed proposal to the farmers.
The farmers will continue with their agitation. Today, the Government of India sent them a proposal in written that they are ready to concern, they are ready to talk with the farmers, and they are ready to listen to the problem of the farmers. But at the end of the day, this is farmers who are coming out and making it very much clear that they are not going to go back.
The farmers deliberated on the proposal for close to 5 hours only to reject it.
ये जो सरकार की ओर से प्रपोजल आई है, हम सब ने फैसला किया है, उसको देखा है, उसको हम पूरी तरह से रद्द करते हैं। अगर सरकार दोबारा कोई प्रपोजल भेजती है तो उसके बारे में विचार करेंगे।
14 days on, no solution in sight. The opposition seems to be reveling in the crisis.
अगर आप आज नहीं खड़े हुए तो फिर आप कभी नहीं खड़े हो पाओगे और हम सब आपके साथ हैं.
But the BJP is hopeful of a solution. They have linked the mandate in the Rajasthan Zilla Parishad elections to the centre's agricultural reforms.
Rajasthan victory in local body election is phenomenal for BJP, and people, particularly the farmers of rural areas, have given a decisive mandate for BJP, defeating the Congress with a large and huge margins.
10 weeks since the bills were passed. 2 months of protests in Punjab. And 2 weeks of siege on Delhi border. Can there be a consensus for an early resolution? Let's debate.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, Prafull Aketkar, Madhu Keshwar, Sunil Alag, P. Chengal Reddy, Syed Aslam, Sunit Chopra and Kirip Chalia. Now we must have a debate on facts. Everything that the farmers wanted has been granted. Everything. Every concern that they had been met. Everything. Every single point on which they had some insecurities has been addressed. Everything, everything. Now after this, if you want to agitate, then you can even agitate tomorrow. If it's a sunny day, you can agitate on why the sun is out. You can agitate on why there is rain. You can agitate on anything. You can agitate on the weather. You can agitate on why Sunit Chopra is wearing a blue kurta today. You can agitate, you can bring the nation to a standstill on that. So my question is extremely simple here today. What is this agitation about now? What is there to agitate? What are you agitated about? Everything has been addressed. I can prove it to you now. Okay, let me start. The government is willing to give a written guarantee on MSP. Written guarantee. What do you want, an unwritten guarantee? The government is willing to give a written guarantee, written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements of MSP. Kirip Chalia, if you want to agitate, then you can just keep agitating because your party is going downhill. You need something to agitate with, then agitate. But what are you agitating about now? Come tell Sudhanshu Trivedi. Tell him, why are you looking down? What are you agitating about? Tell me. MSP, the government is giving a written guarantee. What is your agitation about? Tell me. Don't look down. Look at the camera, Kirip Chalia. Tell the people of this country, what are you agitating about? You are agitating, I understand, but what are you agitating about?
Say, can I? I think, Arnab, you misread facts. It's not I who is agitating. It's not you who is agitating. It is the farmers who are agitating. The farmers of this country, after a particular act has been
what are
passed,
they agitating
felt
about?
aggrieved. And I think at least give them the right to protest. At least give them the right to
part of
protest
the act?
and
Here are the
tell
farmers' viewers.
what their grievances
D. Raja,
are.
farmer, Sitaram Yechuri, farmer, 51-year-old adolescent farmer.
You can't bully all the time. You can't bully every time and so. No, see, Arnab, only you
Look
can
at
do
him.
certain things.
These are the
You
farmers
what
of India,
shows
viewers.
The kind of arrogance that you
These
show.
on your screen
My
are the
goodness.
farmers of
now
India.
The farmers also can't protest. Now they can't even protest. To what stage you are bringing this democracy?
farmers
to?
what
And
is
you
the
call them,
protest
oh,
about?
They are protesting against sun's rays. They are protesting against
I am
clothes.
asking you, what is this
I'm talking
protest about?
Here.
What is
Where
the
are
issue?
You living? You are living in a fascist country. You don't do anything about it. I mean, somebody is agitating. It is wintry night, sitting there. Maybe for certain they maybe have some shortcomings. At least have some sympathy, yaar. Don't show this.
I am asking you, what are you agitating about?
Party. I know you're a
I am saying to you.
Don't do this.
I am saying you. I am saying you. I am saying to you, and you are not being. I am saying to you, and you are not. Don't get worked up. Don't get worked up. Don't be so dramatic, Mr. Chalia.
No, I'm getting worked up.
Generally saying I'm angry, I'm agitated, I will shout so much drama. You don't have to do. I am simply asking you. The government has said we will give a written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements of MSP. This was the biggest issue. Government has agreed. What is this drama about? No, government has agreed. If you want to,
What is this?
Your basic drama. No. I'll tell you. This manufactured outrage does not suit you. You're a seasoned man. I'll tell you why you are agitating. You are agitating because people did not vote for you. The people did not vote for you. That is also their choice. Every 2 months you need an issue to agitate. Every 2 months you want an issue to block the capital. Arey bhai, you are out of power. People have rejected you. You are a rejected party. You are a dejected and rejected party.
Don't give all these sermons and live on a
Well, nobody voted for you. No. Okay, Sudhanshu is on the debate. Sudhanshu, what is this agitation about? I want anyone on the program to tell me this is the reason for the agitation.
Kiritji, can I come in? Can I say something? If it is said that this is the agitation of the farmers of the entire country, from our childhood we have heard about a very big farmer movement in Maharashtra, Shetkari Kisan Sangatana, we have heard from childhood. Where is the farmers agitation in Maharashtra? Whether it is in Chhattisgarh, whether it is in Telangana, whether it is Bengal, whether it is in Tamil Nadu, I am talking about the opposition ruled state. And the biggest state in which the Congress is having chief minister, Rajasthan. Today, the election results of the Jila Parishad has come. That is a rural area, sir. If it would have been an iota of truth, what is being projected, we would have been devastated in the villages and Jila Panchayat elections of Rajasthan. But the fact is on the contrary. And I want an answer. The leaders which are shown in the Rashtrapati Bhavan today, look at the faces. Sitaram Yechuri and D. Raja, the leader of the Communist Party, which is ruling Kerala, and Rahul Gandhi, who is a member of parliament from Kerala. In Kerala, the APMC Act is not there at all. Not there at all. And the other one is Sri Sharad Pawarji, who has written the letter which are there in public domain. So it is very clear that the masks in their faces are just not of the COVID. But there is another
He
mask
doesn't know what happened.
And if somebody is having any problem,
if you
I
allow
just
me,
want to ask.
an MP or an MLA for that matter, any ordinary person can speak on any issue in this country. Democracy allows us. Democracy allows us. You can shut our face because of that.
और अगर पंजाब में है तो फल और सब्जी में क्यों नहीं? Why not in fruit and vegetable? पहले कहिए कि उसमें लागू करो. Why not in livestock? Why not in dairy? Why not in fisheries? Just for 6%. I want an answer. If they are having a full commitment, and second thing, they should tender an unconditional apology that whatever we have written was totally wrong. And one question I want to ask. Farmers have said that they will block the Jaipur-Delhi highway. I want the answer from the sympathizers of the Congress. That does I fully accept the democratic rights of farmers. But Does Rajasthan citizens are having any democratic
thank you.
right
Thank you
or
for
not?
that. Thank
If the
you for
Jaipur
that.
Delhi highway
Don't
is blocked,
shoot
want
at
an
them with a
answer
thumb bomb.
from the
Don't shoot at them.
I now.
If they want Congress ruled state, does their citizens are having
Achha.
democratic right or not? Say yes or no.
Don't kill the butterflies and bullets. Don't attack the butterflies.
Okay, now I want to ask Sunit Chopra. Sunit Chopra, please come into the debate. You look confused today. You look 1 minute.
I'm very happy.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I'm very happy.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, I want to do a quiz competition today on my program. I want to start a quiz competition today, viewers. Please watch, please listen. Sudhanshu Trivedi, listen. Quiz competition live on Republic. Everybody listen. Quiz competition. Quiz competition number 1. Question. Has the government decided to put in a system?
You are judging the competition. By you, the most biased man.
Come on now, you're sounding like Sanjay Raut. Listen to me. Quiz competition. Question. Is it true that the government is going to put in together a system to register contract farming agreements? Is it true that the government is putting in place a system of registration of contract farming, which was exactly the farmers' demand? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, can't say. Sunit Chopra, please answer. I will give 10 rupees for every correct answer. Is it true that the government
because I know this government
is putting in place a system of registration of contract farming?
Anything about it. Achhe din have not come. And you know that.
What are we discussing,
the
sir?
answer to
Now,
your
what
whole
am I going to do with
is,
you?
Here is the
Sunil
government
Alagh, what am I going
that promises
Sunil Alagh and Sunit Chopra.
and does
Answer
nothing.
the question, sir. Don't divert the topic. Otherwise, there's no point. The topic today
I will.
the
Answer
farmers
is it
demanding
true that the
something.
government is putting in place a system of registration of contract farming, which was the farmers' demand? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, can't say. Sunil Alagh, which is your answer?
It is yes.
Sunil
yeah,
Alagh, please
every
participate
point
in my
of the
quiz.
government-
The people,
See, look,
they have driven
look,
my
all I
It
want
is
to
yes.
say very quickly.
Fantastic.
Look, all
It is
all
yes.
I want to say very quickly.
Sunil Alagh wins
is, look,
10
the
rupees on
government
my
has
program.
given in everything.
Thank
If
you.
they take
Sunil
back
Alagh.
laws, they will set a very bad precedent for any government, not just BJP,
You see, he's
Congress.
talking in the
Tomorrow,
middle
you don't like
because he's
anything, you
scared
take
of the
1 lakh
truth
people
coming
for
out.
all laws, arrive in Delhi, and then you say, okay, withdraw all the laws. Is
not
that the
1
way the
lakh
government is
people.
ever going to run?
There
What they are saying is, give us your
56 lakh
problems,
people
we will amend.
who
What more do you
actually
want?
observed the
What more do you want?
From Kerala to Kashmir, from Rajasthan to Assam. That is the truth. Whether you like it or not.
Sir.
People said nothing is happening in UP.
Madhu Kishwar
The
is on the
reality
debate.
is different. Allahabad trains were stopped.
We are discussing
And Allahabad is a
laws today.
city
Why are you
which
carrying
gave
on
us
discussing
even
something else?
MLAs
Answer the question.
for the
The three laws,
CPIM
Okay, now, Madhu Kishwar.
and Bihar. So don't talk
Madhu
about
Kishwar
these
is next here on the debate with Chengal Reddy.
These people
Madhu
are lying.
Kishwar,
I don't want to be
Madhu
with
Kishwar, as
anybody.
part of my
I want
continuing
my
quiz
2
competition
minutes.
tonight.
They should take back.
I don't want to be with any Chengal
Yes,
Reddy or
Madhu
anybody
Kishwar and
who's
Chengal
there
Reddy
only
are
to
now on the
lecture.
debate.
No, I want
Mad-
my 2 minutes. I don't want to be in a
No, Chengal
slanging
Reddy
match.
does not heckle.
Please.
Chengal
Fine.
Reddy does not heckle, I can
I'll
assure
not
you on that.
interrupt him.
He's debated
I will
many
not
times with me.
interrupt him.
My question to you
Okay.
is, you want to make a point, will you take a question? Because I have this quiz competition going on right now. My next question is part of the quiz competition is this, that is it true that the government has said that it will bring in laws to ensure that private players and large industrialists will never be able to hijack the lands of the farmers and make their structures hostage? Answer yes, B no, C can't say. Madhu Kishwar.
Arnab, even if the government were to offer them gold-paved streets and gold-coated homes, this agitation is not going to die down because it is part of a sinister plot to bring chaos to India. And I'm reminded of Yogendra Yadav's warning while during the 2014 election. He used to go around saying, especially in Mewat, a Muslim majority neighborhood, कि मोदी आ गया तो खून की नदियां बहेंगी इस देश में. अब मोदी नहीं बहाना चाहता, वो इनको प्लेकेट करने के लिए सर पे आंख पे उठा रहा है. जो इनकी डिमांड्स हैं वो ही है इस लॉ में. फार्मर्स मूवमेंट्स की पिछले 60 साल से जो डिमांड्स थी, they have been crystallized in the form of these acts, and they are protesting without trying to acknowledge, without having the shame to acknowledge that their own manifestos have committed themselves to these demands. The issue is that they are out to subvert India, and the next may be, and I'm saying it on the basis of good solid information, they're also trying to create unrest in the army. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. जवानों को भी ये इंस्टिगेट करेंगे. ये खून की नदियां बहाए बिना नहीं रहेंगे. दूसरी बात, ये जो कहते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फार्मिंग, you know, in Punjab, Pepsi plant has been working now for decades in contract with farmers, producing ketchup and other agro products, processing agro products. Have you ever heard any Punjab farmer in that region where Pepsi plants are ever protesting, ever saying remove the Pepsi plant? No, they're happy because they get assured prices and they get many other kinds of support. So has Pepsi taken away their land? No. And I'm not in favor of ketchup of Pepsi, but the fact is farmers have benefited from it. I don't like ketchup, I don't like potato chips, but the fact is farmers are happy with it. The point really is BJP is horribly bad at narrative management, and its failure to crack down on Shaheen Bagh is quite costing.
All right, we have
heavy.
counters. Asayed Aslam.
And finally, they should have issued a white paper. Before launching these reforms, they should have issued a white paper explaining that these have been the farmer demands. This is what every party has committed, and therefore
I have
now
two
we
responses.
are
Syed
responding
Aslam,
to
please.
6
Thank you.
decades of reforms. And this is what the law is about. They kept quiet all this while.
I have an
4 months
ongoing
farmers were
debate.
agitating. BJP didn't bother to launch an information campaign. They should have launched an information campaign, which they failed to do.
One question. Madam, I just want to ask one question. You've been going on and on. We've heard you peacefully. We have heard you very, very peacefully. I just have one question for you. If the dark farm laws which are implemented or going to be implemented, if they're so beneficial to the farmers, why do you have lakhs of farmers on the road? There is no meaning when you call the opposition parties, anybody who protests against the BJP, it's in fashion. It's in fashion. Do you want the millions? What a shame. What a shame. Do you want millions to come on the road? What a shame is that? What a shame is that? Do you want millions to come on the road? What a shame. Please answer. Please answer. Let us accept the fact. Let us accept the fact. You want millions on the road? It's a shame if you're asking that. It's a shame if you're asking that.
Syed Aslam,
please understand.
Syed Aslam, this is all right to make it a political debate. 1 minute, in order to perforate your defeated argument. 1 minute, Syed Aslam, allow me 1 minute. Syed Aslam, here's my counter to you. Can you please listen to me instead of shouting? Because you have a bad habit. Your bad habit is that you know that you have come into the debate from a defeated point of view. Therefore, you don't want to take a question. You feel if I'm unable to answer the question, what will the people think? To which my response is the people will think what they think. Now, my quiz question to you, sir. I have a 10 rupee prize for every correct answer. My question to you is, is it true that the government has said that it will completely accommodate the farmers' demand for the option of going to the civil courts for dispute resolutions to be included? This was a very important demand of the farmers. Is it true that the government has also accommodated this demand? Along with an assurance that there will be laws brought in to make sure that private players and large industrialists will never be able to hijack the land of the farmers and make their structures hostage. My question to you is it true the government has done this? Is it true the government has accommodated the demands of the farmers? Yes, no, or can't say? Yes, no, or can't say? Syed Aslam, please.
No,
yes or no?
I'm not.
Yes or no?
I'm not.
Yes, no, there are only
standing
three
the court.
options.
No,
yes,
no,
no, or
not,
can't say.
I'm not standing the court of law to answer yes or no.
No, yes,
I
no,
will
or
tell you
can't
what
say.
It is. I'll tell you what it is. The entire.
No,
the
you are
entire
standing before the
nation
court of
knows-
public
the entire
opinion.
Nation knows this.
Yes,
this
no, or can't
government
say.
Is capitalist.
Yes, no, or can't
government.
say.
This government is capitalist.
Yes, no, or can't say.
Capitalist friendly government.
No,
it can't
one
be.
second. Yes,
It
no, or
be
can't
yes
say.
No. I'm not standing the court
These
of
are all
law.
lectures, empty
I am in a
words. What you are
democratic
using are
country.
empty words.
I am in a democratic
No,
country.
you are just
I have
using
the
empty
option
words.
to
I am asking
answer
you a
it the way it
question.
is.
You know our answer is yes. You know
I'm
the
not
answer
using
is
empty words
yes.
at all. I am being
Will you
voice
become a
of the
smaller
farmers.
person
I am
by
being the
admitting
voice
that the
of
answer is
farmers.
yes? You have to accept that you're part of a group of people who are trying to mislead the farmers of this country. What do you gain from it? Prafulla Ketkar. Prafulla Ketkar is on that. You are not the voice of the farmers.
I am.
See,
Arnab, I will
see,
tell you what
Arnab,
again.
Arnab, he is talking about democracy. I just want to remind him one quote. Dr. Ambedkar said, and I quote, if we wish to maintain democracy not merely in form, but also in fact, what we must we do? The first thing in my judgment we must do is to hold fast to constitutional methods of achieving our social and economic objectives. What is the best way of, achieving our social and economic objectives? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar suggests use constitutional methods. Is this the way you gherav the entire capital? Use unconstitutional means? These are the same parties who were present in the parliament. They have debated in select committees and now they are misguiding the farmers. These are basically the artiyas, the middlemen, who are being misguided by the power brokers of Delhi. They are frustrated. They are frustrated because the political mandate is not going in the democratic system as per their wish. That is your frustration. Please tell me a single objection that is not accommodated. MSP accommodated. Grievance redressal mechanism, dispute resolution
Not a
mechanism
single one,
accommodated.
not a single one, people,
the
please
entire fear about the mandis, that is being accommodated. What is your problem? Only 3 issues were raised. All of them are accommodated. What is your problem? Who is doing this hatayog in the name of
on
farmers?
Issues,
why this politicization of every law that is being constitutionally passed by the parliament? Do you consider parliament as the democratic temple or not? Or you want to take democracy for granted and over
because Prafulla, many
Mr. Norris,
Prafulla,
hello, can I?
Prafulla.
I am happy. Hello,
Chengal Reddy, question to you. Short two-line question. Two-line question to you, sir. I have read everything about the farmers' demands. And I have read everything about what the government is willing to address. My view is 95% or more of what the farmers' demands are have already been addressed. In fact, I was quite surprised, Mr. Chengal Reddy, when I saw that even the farmers demand that there should be an end to the punishment provision for stubble burning and the Electricity Amendment Act 2020. Even that is agreeable to for the central government. The government has agreed to everything, Mr. Chengal Reddy. What is this agitation about? I don't understand. If people want Shaheen Bagh Part 2, they must frankly say we want Shaheen Bagh Part 2. What are they opposing? There is nothing left to oppose or demand.
Even release the people who are arrested in, anti-CA protest. What kind of demand is this?
I'm happy for my Punjab farmers that government has accepted MSP and also other suggestions. I think we farmers are very appreciative of our Punjab farmers' efforts because government has bringing about the amendments. And my request to Government of India is please announce whatever is the demands and what you have accepted, because most of us are not aware what is their demands and what are you accepting. This is somehow there is a big gap in the government of communicating what is being discussed. See, when parliament proceedings are broadcasted, why don't you broadcast these discussions you are holding with farmers? See, we want to hear our friends from Punjab and other places. What are the point-wise they are raised and what is that you are responding?
Sudhanshu.
And give us an opportunity to give our views. Now, of course, finally, Mr. Arnab, I'm very, very happy that through you, because we don't know. Unfortunately, what the government of India has offered, we don't know till. Public doesn't know anywhere in this country. I don't know why Agriculture Minister and others are not able to communicate to ordinary people across the country. Because most of the farmers, we speak only regional languages. Now that you are in English,
but I'm telling you, don't you believe what I'm saying?
We are very happy. We are very, very happy.
No, don't you believe what I'm saying?
Demanded by Punjab
Kengal
farmers.
Reddy, don't you believe what I'm communicating to you?
We are very happy.
Arnav.
No, I am.
Arnav.
That is exactly what I am saying, Mr. Arnab. See,
no,
but before
when
the media, you are asking me, but my suggestion to government of India is they should make it known to everybody. Whatever the farmers' demands are, what is the government of India? Why is that they have not made known? See, in the evening they had a discussion. Why is that they have not informed anybody? I mean, I am surprised. See, government of India must, Minister of Agriculture, if they have accepted to give MSP in writing, what more would we want? I mean, that solves, majority of our problems. As far as contract farming MSP, yes, there are some legal problems. Definitely, they will be taken care. And I am very happy. I am happy about the whole thing. Thank you. Thanks a lot for giving me a very happy news today.
That at least the farmers should have read the amendment of the acts. And they have categorically asked in black and white. That's what the government has asked. And whatever they have asked in black and white, and has been responded properly. And those who are saying it is a matter of mistrust, with due humility, I would like to say, if somebody is saying that the lakhs of farmers are there, and the government asks, can you select 5 or 7 representatives? No. The answer is categorically no. Where is the lack of trust? I think the lack of trust is between the various associations who are not ready to have even 5, 6, 7 representatives from them. They said, no, all the 40s and 50s should be there. Okay, no problem. But Arnav, you have asked about the quiz. I would like to ask 2 questions to the quiz. Which is the biggest food and beverage giant corporate multinational of the world? The answer is Pepsi. And when the biggest corporate giant of the food and beverage entered into an agreement with the state government of India. In which year? Under which rule?
You wanted
Pepsi
to arrest them en masse.
Punjab government in 1988. In the Rajiv Gandhi government. Marhum Rajiv Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji ke father ke time mein.
So,
second,
what are you shouting for?
Corporate was awarded
even
a
to arrest them
for procuring the food grains by FCI, by which government, in which year? It was Adani in 2006 by UPA government for 20 years contract starting for 2007 for 7 states of FCI procurement with an assured return of 12%. Sir, these are the 3 questions. And now you reply.
You simply passed 3 pro-capitalist laws, pro-corporate laws,
Kirip Chalia,
shut down Parliament.
Kirip Chalia, I welcome you back to my quiz competition. Kirip Chalia, I welcome you back to the quiz competition.
Can I get into the quiz competition?
My next question is, as part of my attempt to spread awareness about what is going on, and Kengal Reddy, I really appreciate your warm praise, because all that Republic is trying to do is tell the people of this country that, look here, the government has already agreed to 95% of what the farmers' unions wanted. Now you are making it an ego issue by saying repeal the bill. What the government is saying, we already agreed to everything that you wanted. We made all the amendments. In fact, let me tell you, Kirip Chalia, tell me, is it true or not? Is it true or not as part of a major change, as per the proposed amendment, the APMC and the free market mandis would have the same tax rate? You come uninformed into the debate, Kirip Chalia. You have not prepared for my debate today. Is it true that as per the proposed amendment, the APMC and the free market mandis would have the same tax rate? This is what the farmers wanted. They have been given what they wanted. Now what do you want? What do you want? Exactly what do you want? I don't know what you want.
I want the chance to answer.
Please answer. What is my question? What is my question? You keep on asking for a chance to answer. But answer what? Your own question?
Yes, I'm asking.
My question is it true that in a major concession to the farmers, the APMC and free market mandis will have the same tax rate? Yes, no, I can't say. Say yes or no. No or no, or I can't say.
I'll go into the details.
Don't dodge my question.
I'll go into the details.
Don't dodge my question.
Let me
For
tell
half
you,
an hour, you're running
have
away from
not
my
yet-
questions.
You have not yet been appointed as the spokesperson of the Agricultural Ministry or BJP government. So where does
I am asking you, Kirip Chalia, please tell me, is it true that the government is agreeing for a written guarantee on MSP?
No water.
You tell me this, is it true that the government is willing to give a written guarantee for MSP? Come down on facts. Come down on facts, Kirip Chalia. Come down on facts. Come down on facts. Come down on facts. I will bring you back on facts. You're getting worked up. Look at you.
Government settle.
You could not answer a question.
Send the farmers to court to fight with the corporates. You are sending them to doom. Your all arguments are wrong.
Why court?
Your all arguments are as
Are you out of your mind?
Corporates and government.
Are you out of your mind? Where do you want people to go?
Yes.
Madhu Kishwar is responding to you. I'm not going to waste my time. Madhu Kishwar.
I say
Madhu Kishwar.
MSP has not been assured.
Or no.
MSP has desired.
Aren't you a lawyer?
Has not been assured. I assure you, the money structure has not been given.
You are out of your mind. The government, you don't know your facts. You are an uninformed man. You have come uninformed into my program. You are revealing your ignorance.
Now is to demean the farmers.
You are lying. Either you are uninformed or you are lying. There are two choices. What are you? Are you uninformed, ill-informed, or are you lying? The government has given a proposal. The government has agreed to give a written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements on MSP. You've not come prepared. You're not prepared. The government has given a proposal, has given a written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements on MSP. You have no justification to carry out this anarchy anymore. That's why you're behaving like this. The government has given a written assurance. Stop gesticulating. The government has given a written assurance. You are uninformed. I feel sorry for you. You are an uninformed man, or either you are ill-informed or uninformed. There is a choice and a possibility. The government has given a written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements for MSP. You ask Sudhanshu Trivedi. Don't ask me. Ask Sudhanshu Trivedi. Ask Sudhanshu Trivedi and debate. Debate with him. Debate with him. Debate with him. Debate with him. Rubbish. Humbug. You're talking humbug. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Arnav, he is very well informed, but there is a proverb कि समझ के समझाओ उसको जिसके की समझ है, और जो समझ के भी ना समझे समझो कि वो ना समझ है. Those who do not want to understand, you cannot do anything, sir. I just want to ask one thing. You have said that the MSP is not there. Where it is written that the MSP is not there. MSP is very much there. The last month the government has provided MSP, and if you want MSP,
no, you have not given the assurance. You have not given any assurance that MSP will sustain. No, you have not done it.
Why APMC is not approved?
You have not even talked about a direct income. Not about direct income support. What about the direct income support? And it's
okay. पंजाब गवर्नमेंट बना देना MSP का लॉ, कौन रोक रहा है भाई?
Have you assured the MSP as per Swaminathan?
And you have said Kerala is not having APMC at all. Have you asked the Congress government or the Communist government why this should not be required in Kerala?
Have you
why it is required in Delhi?
as per Swaminathan committee report?
I am asking the state in which the APMC is not there at all. That is Kerala, the state of Rahul Gandhi. क्यों नहीं सवाल पूछते भाई?
Have you given
उधर की तरफ क्यों नजर नहीं जाती भाई?
Committee report or not?
I am asking where it is not at all. It is not existing. And all the communist leaders and the MPs of the Kerala are standing in front of Rashtrapati Bhavan. गजब है भाई. गजब है भाई.
If everything was hunky-dory, why so this discussion?
Where is education? How many states are there in India? 28 states and 8 union territories.
Why now?
Can you name the 8 states in which the education is there? I challenge you.
As traitors,
tell me the 8 states in which the education is there.
There's a limit to your this bias, anti-democratic attitude.
Oh, anti-democratic attitude. And it is a democratic attitude.
Is the MSP as per Swaminathan?
I have asked you answer. Name the first corporate company which has got the food procurement contract in India. Please tell me. Don't hide the question. And quote the year and quote the government.
I think, Kirip Chalia, you're not prepared.
Nothing has been
I think, Kirip Chalia, you're not prepared for the debate today. Your facts are not with you. It's quite evident from that. And And my problem is, without knowing things, if you try to spread misinformation, you are defaming India on global platforms. You are defaming India on global platforms. And by the way, I forgot, Sunil Alag wants to come in. Sunil Alag, may I in the meantime, that sheet of paper which has been written for you by whom?
Asking questions to the government.
Sunil Alag is on the debate. 1 minute. I must congratulate Kirip Chalia. Mr. Chalia, one of your last remaining states also voted against you today in Rajasthan, Mr. Chalia. Congratulations for brilliantly losing the elections across all panchayats of Rajasthan. No, I'm just telling you something. Please continue the debate. The debate is not on the demise of the Congress party. Congress is not relevant enough. Sunil Alag, my point is, whenever I am asking specifics of what the government has agreed to, I have not got a reply. Which means this is not about what the farmers' demands are. This is about agitationism. This is not about farmers. This is about a permanent state of agitation.
Absolutely not.
From Shaheen Bagh to this. Sunil Alag, please, on the methods.
Appreciated. 1 second.
I want to debate the methods, not the issues or the demands anymore.
This other gentleman, the other gentleman who is saying government has not done this, if the government has done it, is he accepting that the farmers should go back or not? That's what I wanted to ask him was, if the government accepts what you have said, what he's saying he doesn't know, if it is done, he should go back. Why are we carrying on? Look, as far as I'm concerned, I think what Mr. Reddy has raised is a very important thing. If tomorrow the farmers are not going back, the government is going to reveal everything. The farmers are going to lose all the sympathy of all the people, and then you will watch what happens. Look, the government cannot take back all the laws because they will set a precedent, which is going to be the worst precedent, not just for the BJP, but for any government that comes into power. And you will have 1 lakh of people in Delhi saying, take back the law. But they are ready to amend. They have answered all the questions. And everything that has been raised, Mr. Reddy has said, let the government, and they will come out tomorrow. If this gentleman is saying, no, they haven't done this, what if they've done it? Does he accept it? Does he accept that the farmers should now go back? Rather than sticking on an adamant rule that you have to take back only these 3 laws,
Sunil Alag,
and to hell with anything else.
Sunil Alag, you make a very good point. Kirip Chalia said, no, the government has not done it. To which I don't want to waste my time arguing with him, but a very relevant point is, if the government has done it. No, if the government has done it.
Not yet.
I'm saying if the government has done it. 1 second. 1 minute. What do you mean not there? What do you know? You're uninformed. You don't know anything about the government proposals. I'm asking him because he has nothing to say anymore. If the government has done it, then on what basis are you carrying on this agitationism?
Which you swear so much. Just tell that. Just say that in your quiz.
Mr. Kirip Chalia, the government has given, for God's sake, a written assurance regarding the procurement arrangements of MSP. Do you know? This is as per every single committee report. And more. The problem with people like you is, even when everything is done, you have no issue. Your party is falling apart. You need a reason to keep jumping. You want to keep jumping. You want to keep bouncing on some subject or the other. You yourself don't know what you are agitating about anymore. The problem is you want to be in a permanent state of agitation. It's not good for your health.
We are nothing. Individuals are nothing.
Well, I mean, the government has registered a contract farming system. Arrangements is going to be put in place. The government has addressed all issues about the fear of large industrialists. In fact, I would go on to say, Madhu Keshwar, that the government has done everything that the Congress party did not. That's why Kirip Chalia is jumping today. Because he knows heart of hearts. They are the ones who, who fed off the farmers and did nothing for them.
Congress party who is
the intention of people like Kirip Chalia was to keep farmers poor. Now that you've seen a change happening, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? What right do you have to talk?
In fact,
what right do you have to talk?
Congress regimes.
You people who can't get 1,000 votes in a parliamentary election, you think you can speak now with any authority?
Arnab, please bring people who are not there to disrupt the debate.
You are now worried about the
Firstly, please allow me 1 minute. I've heard your yelling and screaming. I've heard your yelling and screaming. Please, Arnab. Why do you bring people who only come to disrupt? This is not how issues are going to be explained. I want to ask from Sudhanshu Trivedi. I don't want to answer any of these phrases. Please allow me to talk to Sudhanshu.
Who have already handed their
Please
consent.
allow me to talk to Sudhanshu. Sudhanshu Trivedi, I want to know why, for example, BJP did not issue a white paper before launching these laws on the state of agriculture. What have been the demands of various farmers' organizations through the last 6 decades? I have been witness to countless farmers' movements where all the demands that they made are crystallized in the form of law. Why the government in every language of the country not issue white papers and go on a massive campaign, information campaign through TV, through posters, through newspapers, what it's about to do, what it's committing, what has been the track record of farmers' organizations, what have they demanded, and why these laws? If you don't do that, then you come and yell here on TV and try to explain. You come and show the documents. Congress ने ये लिखा था, BKU ने ये लिखा था. ये एक white paper में होना चाहिए. कल भी कीजिए. In all languages. Secondly, Arnab, it's very important for people to remember Safal, Reliance Fresh, Big Basket, Pepsi, and countless other corporates have been buying from farmers. They've entered into contract arrangement with farmers. That's how they've become such national chains, very effective national chains for agricultural produce. Tell me one place where farmers have gone against Safal. Tell me one place where they've gone against Big Basket, which procures directly from farmers. Tell me one place where they've gone against Reliance Fresh. In fact, farmers get assured prices. They've not protested anywhere in the country. And therefore, and this has been their demand, just because it's been accepted by BJP government and these people want to create chaos, civil war. They want to create civil war. That's the agenda.
You know, I want to bring Sunit Chopra. Sunit Chopra, I have another point here. Madhu, thank you. Madhu, another thing. See, Sunit Chopra. At the end of the day, we are talking about decency in our democracy. May I please bring in a point here? Sunit Chopra, see, there are two kinds of people who are in politics. Those who think, yes, I'll tell you about what they did in parliament. Are you willing to listen to me? Are you, Mr. Chopra, willing to listen to me? Mr. Chopra, 1 minute. Mr. Chopra and Prafulla Ketkar, I'll bring you to the debate, but you listen to me. 1 minute. I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. But 1 minute. Mr. Chopra, if you're asking me, can I give you a reply, sir, please? Thank you. Thank you. Can I give you a reply, Mr. Chopra? Thank you. Mr. Chopra, the food security law that allows 67% of India the right to have highly subsidized food, right? It was passed in 2013. At that point of time, Sushma Swaraj wanted many amendments. He was the leader of the opposition, and allow me to complete. Sushma Swaraj opposed the bill, but you know what she said? Don't shout, please. She opposed the bill, but you know what she said in parliament? She said, it would have been a better bill if my amendments had been passed. However, we will improve it when we come to power. This was said by Sushma Swaraj when her amendments were not allowed to be brought into that particular bill, which gave subsidized food to 67% of the people of this country. Now, I have a question for you. What if Sushma Swaraj would have said, no, I think I need to, I tell my party to block Delhi, burn the national capital, right? Hold the people of this country to ransom. She could have done that. She did not. Because of an essential belief in the decency of democracy. Don't become indecent. Don't become indecent in your public positions. Indecency in public life, encouraging violence may be your tactic. It's not the one that the people of the country agree to. Prafulla Ketkar,
who didn't give APMCs in Kerala, who didn't give any MSP in Tripura, who took away lands from farmers in Bengal. They are giving all the lectures on democracy all over the world. But the fact is, wherever they have ruled, They have ruined agriculture. They have ruined industry. And they are giving, you are talking about democratic rights. They are giving lectures on capitalism. They don't know anything about agriculture in India.
Sir,
tell me one single measure that has taken by Kerala government for farmers. The rubber industry is collapsed.
Your approach towards the farmers is devastating. Your approach towards the farmers is devastating.
At the end, I want to say this. 1 second. Why do you want India to burn?
Because they want.
Kirip Chalia, people like you want violence over CA.
Simple.
With one slogan.
During CA, you said Aar Paar Ki Ladai. Sudhanshu Trivedi and Kirip Chalia. You attempted to organize caste riots for politics. You wanted to incite riots during the pandemic.
Best to explain, and when the thing was brought
You want to stoke violence over everything, even after the Ayodhya verdict.
Proceedings of the committees are there in the public domain.
You want India to burn.
इन लोगों का तो उद्देश्य है permanent agitation, what Madhu Keshar ji has said. In one line, I would like to say कि कोई सूरत बदलना मेरा मकसद नहीं है. मेरा मकसद है हर कदम पे हंगामा खड़ा होना चाहिए. तो अगर मकसद ही हंगामा खड़ा करना है आपका किसी न किसी प्रीटेक्स्ट पे गवर्नमेंट इज रेडी वो फुल सेंसिटिविटी फुल ओपन हार्ट.
Well, if you then there should be a poll in this country about whether the unelectables can use violence and blockades as a means to burn our country or to run our country down. Let there be an open debate on it. Don't you dare use farmers' protests for your own selfish agendas. On the other side tonight, why I support the action taken on Khalistani elements, and also why we all believe that the situation in Bengal urgently needs intervention in a few minutes.